option on the middle point, which is highlighted in green color, cyan green color.
It should be shared already, no? You know what we should to do? We should to change the language on my computer. So, or do you think you can direct? Because it's Russian.
For giving you the perfect solution, I need to watch your screen. Please try to open your CLO3D software and please explain. Okay. You are using iMac, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, but right now I need to bring my other mouse.
Okay,
but that one should work too, right? You see the right click, there is a menu on the right, like in a 3D window and 2D, and both of them, click, it's like not open the option of specific tool. Like you see, I have the also menu, left click is working, but right click is not working.
For those menu, okay.
Yes.
So graphics like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, it will be help to your skill grow up on this sector, and also in using CLO3D, because some techniques, some uses are similar. Okay, let me share my screen to you. So first of all, go to settings, user settings. Okay, then when we choose users interface, okay, simulation default mode, simulation is okay. 3D toolbar stop, okay, 2D toolbar stop, render toolbar tops. Now you are facing that when we use like drag the mouse, we can use those type of module.
Yes,
that means that don't pop up on your software or your PC, because of here you can see some tools don't have extra module, okay, or but some tools have, there is the arrow button, like see this type of icon, which means these tools have so many modules, okay. On other some of tools you will see there is no other options like this, okay. If don't show like this anything, that means these tools don't have other any module options.
You need attention all the time. Yes, it's okay. Yes, thank you.
Okay, have a nice day. Good to talk to you.
Thank you.
Good to talk to you. And say hi to your pet from by my side. Okay. Goodbye.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
You.